Goodbudget is an easy-to-use budgeting app that helps you manage your finances using the envelope budgeting system. Here's how to get started and use Goodbudget effectively. Download and sign up. Download the Goodbudget app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up for a free account using your email address. Set up envelopes. Create envelopes for different spending categories such as groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, and savings. Customize these envelopes based on your personal spending habits and financial goals. Add income. Enter your income sources in the app. This could be your salary, freelance income, or any other sources of money. Distribute your income into the envelopes you've created. Record expenses. As you spend money, record each transaction in the app. Select the appropriate envelope for each expense to keep track of where your money is going. This helps you stay within your budget for each category. Track your progress. Regularly review your envelopes to monitor your spending. The app will show you how much money you have left in each envelope, helping you make informed spending decisions. Adjust envelopes. If you overspend in one category, you can adjust by transferring money from another envelope. This flexibility helps you manage unexpected expenses without breaking your overall budget. Sync accounts. If you share a budget with a partner or family member, use the app's sync feature to keep everyone on the same page. This ensures all transactions are recorded and budgets are updated in real time.